The edge of this detectable warning has been badly abused by heavy traffic and a street sweeper for the past 5 years. Instead of replacing this detectable warning, it can be easily repaired and restored to like new condition. Identify the area in need of repair. Chip or scrape away damaged area and finish with a hand grinder to provide a smooth surface. Power blow the area clean. Cut a portion of an unused mat template and match up the holes to the domes surrounding the problem area. Catalyze a small amount of sealer. Apply it to the area of repair. Align the template on top of the dried sealer. Catalyze a small amount of base material and pour it on top of the template, filling desired holes. Screed off excess material and remove the template after the material has set. Touch up the fields as needed with a paintbrush. If the repair is a larger area, the entire ramp can be top coated for an even finish.